Yes. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learner's World by Sneha Ma'am. It's time for another story for you children out there, and let's take a look at what it is all about. Yes, it's Hungry Pod and Healthy Pod in the big cake contest. Wow, is it going to be a contest? That too about a cake? Probably baking a cake. Let's see. So we have Hungry Pod, who's always hungry, and also Healthy Pod, who's always be eating good food and being healthy. There was a cake contest in Podville. Hungry Pod decided he would enter the contest and make the world's best cake. He loved to eat, but he also loved to cook. Hungry Pod went to the market to buy everything he needed to make a cake. On the way, he met Healthy Pod. Hello, Healthy Pod, said Hungry Pod. I'm going to bake a cake for the cake contest. You can eat some of my cake when it's ready. Oh no, said Healthy Pod. I never eat cake. I only eat spinach and broccoli. See, that's why I'm so fit. I can eat anything, said Hungry Pod. I am always hungry. Off he went to buy everything. Hungry Pod reached the market. He bought butter, eggs, sugar, chocolate, and flour. But instead of sugar, he got some salt. It looked the same to him, so he didn't realize what he had done. Oh no! He went home and began to make the cake. He mixed everything nicely together in a bowl. Finally, he put the cake into the oven. Then he covered it with gooey chocolate. Yum! He couldn't wait to eat it. Hungry Pod decorated his cake. He put colorful sprinkles on it to make it shine. Finally, his cake was ready. He carried his cake carefully to the cake contest. There were lots of cakes, but Hungry Pod's cake looked the nicest. Everyone was sure he would win. Fussy Pod was the judge. She took a big bite of Hungry Pod's cake. Sorry, this cake is terrible, she said. It tastes salty, not sweet. Everyone looked at poor Hungry Pod, who had gone red. He suddenly knew what had gone wrong. He must have put in salt instead of sugar. Healthy Pod put his arm around Hungry Pod. Don't worry, Hungry Pod. Your cake is still the best decorated. Hooray! Hungry Pod got the prize for the best decorated cake. He and Healthy Pod went home. Hungry Pod made a new cake. This time he remembered to put sugar. The cake was delicious. Even Healthy Pod, who only eats spinach and broccoli, ate a big slice. So that was the story of Hungry Pod and Healthy Pod. Did you like the story? Do put your comments right down below and look forward to my next story. All right, children, have a good day. Bye.